Welcome to Cooking with Dragons. My name is Rourke, and today I'm going to be making batter for chicken. But yeah, I'm trying to get into the habit of making videos more. So I figure if I break some of them up into certain segments, like making batter, I can have that and just make other food with that batter and stuff like that. So you know, just kind of having something to do too, sort of, especially since I'm off. All right, so this recipe is going to be a cup and a half or a cup and a tablespoon of flour, not all purpose. It's going to be about a cup or so, or at least 200 grams of bone chicken broth. I've used bone beef broth too, that works too, but I'm using this for chicken. The cool thing about this batter is it's pretty versatile. You can kind of make it to what you need it to be. And there'll be a little bit of yellow mustard, bit of salt and pepper, one egg. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple batter to make, really. All right, so let's get started. So, a cup of flour. You ready? Yes, you do. You can also sift it too if you like. Right, now we'll season it up. Generous amount of seasoning. Got a trash can next to me so I can clean as I go. Always makes that easier. Stir that in there. Gotta season your flour. Otherwise, it's not going to taste that great. And you probably shouldn't be eating flour by itself anyway, but you know, gotta have the jokes. Like, and if you can get your hands on a decent mustard, like you can use. You don't have to use this specific kind of yellow mustard. You can use Coleman's mustard. That's a really good mustard to use for this. But that should be good. Like I said, you can change this up however you need it to be. If you're making this for fish, you can take a bit of fish sauce and just add a few drops of that to it, and it'll work out pretty well for your fish. If you're making like fish and chips or something. Fish or chips. Alright, so 1 cup. Cup and 1/4 rather. Pretty much equal parts to the flour. And you can add more as you need it. This stuff is pretty good, by the way. Ready? Add that egg in there. You can use a whisk if you have one, or if you want to. I just find that a spoon just gets a little bit more incorporated easier, I think. I break that egg yolk up. Just pour that in there. Gotta take your time with it till it's well incorporated. Scrape the sides. I might switch to a spatula. Alright, switching to a spatula. That probably works better. Yeah, a lot better. I keep forgetting I have these. I don't know if anybody can tell, but I have ADHD. A lot of things I kind of just plan on the fly. Yeah, much of what I do is planned on the fly. Much to the dismay of the fly itself, but you know. You know what you call a fly without wings? A walk. Alright. Just kind of want something that's going to stick to your chicken. That well incorporated. Get rid of the lumps. You can also use beef broth too if that's what you're going for. If you're making like a chicken fried, like a country fried steak or something like that, you can use beef bone broth for this. And if you don't like mustard, you can probably use something besides that. I'm not sure what, but you know, maybe horseradish or something that just has that zing to it, sort of. Maybe lemon juice. It doesn't take this long to make it either, so it's like. You can also make this in advance too if you're just wanting to make this for another time, so you can just have this ready for it. It's good for about 2 or 3 days though, so that's a thing. You can just steady whisk in there with that, it works. Break up any lumps in there. Alright, and here's our batter. Has a good seasoned taste to it. That's what you're going for. You don't need to take a big spoonful of it. It's like just enough to put on your finger to see how it goes. Just see what you need to add to it or not. Like, yeah. All right, batter. Check it out. Thank you for watching. My name is Rourke Cooking with Dragons. We are exploring the world of food. See you next time and keep on feeding the fire. I'll probably be back with another video where I'm using this. That's what I'm planning to make chicken with this. So might as well record that too. Alright, I'll see you in the next video.